strong.
Now down the strip. And again, using the dead leaves, such as these, we don't use them. So one bundle is finished. And we start the second bundle. I just severe the cord that they use to secure everything. And the same thing. Nothing there, strip. This. Secure them. If you see any holes in the leaf, you know, maybe insects actually bit them. You can actually severe that as well. See, these I have quite a few holes on these. I don't know if because of the weather last week, but noticing quite a few. Alright, so I'm going to wash these. But before I normally sprinkle some salt water just in case there's any insect on them. You may actually run off and wash them properly. Callaloo is very good to include in the meal. Very good vegetable. Like I said, it's very important that you strip the callaloo before you cut them.